Which flexible energy contract is right for you? Introducing Flex Innovate. Our flexible energy contracts are designed to put you in control. They provide the freedom to shape your ideal energy strategy and the opportunity to take advantage of changing wholesale prices. At Empower Business Solutions, we know that every business needs something different from a flexible contract. Some will want a simple, time-saving contract with the benefits of flexibility built in. Others will need maximum flexibility, enabling a sophisticated approach to energy procurement. To meet these needs, we've created a range of different flexible contracts, but which one is right for you? Flex Innovate is ideal for businesses who have in-house expertise and the resources to take a hands-on approach to their energy management strategy. Flex Innovate is available on your gas and electricity supply. It allows you to purchase your base and peak load requirements while settling your remaining volume on a chosen index. This gives you the opportunity to pay a transparent index price for additional energy when there's a difference between your purchased loads and actual consumption. Flex Innovate offers an innovative balance of risk and transparency to help you get more value from flexible energy management. Like all of our flexible contracts, Flex Innovate comes with the benefits you'd expect when working with a market-leading industry expert, including accurate and transparent invoicing and support from our award-winning optimization desk to help you track your position and make more of market opportunities. You'll also get access to Risk Navigator, an innovative online portal designed to put market intelligence and bespoke analysis at your fingertips. So, if Flex Innovate sounds like the right choice for your business, why not talk to us today?